Hey guys, Yuki the Kawaii Gamer 22 here. So I recently went to a birthday party yesterday. The day before yesterday on Saturday, and they have balloons, and of course my sister's like, I'm gonna suck the helium out of them because she's a helium vampire. So I'm like, hey, maybe I should do that for a YouTube video. I didn't get to yesterday because yesterday was very hectic for me. But now I'm going to. I already had two. Because my sister stole the other one yesterday. So yeah. Oh crud. No, I did this once before, but I didn't record it. But now I am. So
Hi guys! Oh my god!
oh my god, that worked! Let me do it again.
That's some haircut tips!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Oh, I sound so cute. Oh. I can't forget to stop though. I sound so cute.
Hi guys, this is my actual voice now. Hope you guys like it. So, we're just doing helium.
I am not making my actual voice high. I swear it's a helium. It's a helium.
Oh my god! I wanna go into the anime world. And marry Deku. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This is just the rest of the video now. It's just like the rest of the video. Welcome back to Yuki the Kawaii Gamer 22 on freaking helium. Oh my god. Oh my god. Welcome back to me on helium, guys. Well, not welcome back, but you guys know what I mean? Round 2. Round 2. Let's go. Let's get it.
Hey, Sasuke! Yeah, Sasuke, I'm gonna fight you.
I should be talking about Naruto. I'll be talking to Naruto. He's my man. I'll be talking to him. I swear. Oh shoot! It wore off. It wore off.
Sasuke!
Oh god! I got lightheaded. Ugh.
Hi guys, so welcome to VBA Content Part 1! I'm gonna make this into a series. It's Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so fun. If only I could do this with someone, that would be fun. A certain someone. That would be awesome. That'd be very awesome.
Be at the back of the party with all your friends, and you're like, you know what? Hey guys, let's do some helium. And so you guys just do this. It'll be fun.
If only this could low-key help me with my choir. XD. No, not really. I actually got that. I had to do a virtual choir recording, and it was good. I thought it was good. I don't know if any of you guys will think it was good. I can't even post it. Here, now you got a bunch of cute kawaii bitches. You're really gonna kawaii bitches now. Where's the hole? Okay,
So, oh my. It's wearing off. Oh no. Oh! Oh yeah, guys, that's me on helium! Oh, I'm a little lightheaded, but who cares? I'm sitting on my stuff. Oh no, where'd my candy go? Oh no. Found it. But yeah, it's me on helium. Make sure you I don't know. Wait, tell a friend about my channel because bro, I do epic stuff. Sometimes I even do this stupid crud. Make you guys happy. I give you guys a little laugh, you know. But anyway, guys, like I said, I'm trying to get to at least 12 subscribers. Okay, just 12. But anyway, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you like this video too. It really helps. I like looking at the likes and stuff. So. Anyway, guys, we'll see you later. And remember, stay quiet, all my gamers.